The Karnataka government has directed pubs, bars, breweries, clubs, and restaurants to strictly verify age before allowing entry or serving alcohol. Home Minister Priyank Kharge has instructed police to issue notices to all liquor serving establishments and enforce a no ID, no entry policy. He said underage drinking should be treated as a youth safety and public health issue, not merely a licensing violation. The move follows a study involving 4,093 students across 4 educational institutions in Bengaluru, which found that 1 in 3 adolescents is at risk due to alcohol or tobacco use. The study reported that 33% of young adults consumed alcohol while nearly 18% used tobacco, figures significantly higher than national averages. The study was conducted by researchers from St. John's Medical College, Christ University, and Kasturba Medical College in Manipal. Researchers also found that the median age for starting alcohol consumption was 17 years, with some students reporting exposure as early as 8 years of age. Under the new directions, establishments must check government issued ID cards, maintain functional CCTV coverage at entry points, and preserve footage for investigations. Owners, managers, and license holders will be held accountable for violations. The government has warned that any establishment found serving alcohol to minors will face strict legal action under a zero tolerance policy.